Hi guys, welcome to CCI Hub. In this video, we'll see how to download and upload EVNG images. So let's get started. First of all, we'll see how to download the images. So for this, you need to go to our website. Here I have mentioned some links and these links will be mentioned in your description as well. So take this link and go to any one of these Chrome browser. And here you can see we have add-ons. Click on add-ons, QEMU, and these are the list of images. Now here, let's say I want to upload ASA image. That's let's say 9.92 version or 9.8 version, any one of these I want to download. So you guys can copy it from here, copy the link and open the other page. Okay. Or else if you want, you can directly click on this link and download image from here. So once your image is downloaded, sometimes you see your images, if you have pre-downloaded or while downloading itself, name might differ. Here we have virtioa.qco file, and here you see it's added as one over here. Now that's little different, right? So it will definitely not work if you guys upload it to your EVNG. So what you have to do, just you have to rename it and make it exactly whatever it is. Okay. Okay, I have the same file, that's why it is not allowing me. So do one thing, create one folder. Create one folder and put this image inside the folder. Now rename it, because names and all should match the hash value. And then now this folder name also should match exactly same that we have here. Make sure you take a same folder name. Now let's say from here I'll take this folder name, right, and put it over here. So now my EVNG, based on my EVNG, my folder name and this folder and the image is ready over here. So this way, if you don't match it, later when you upload it to EVNG, it won't show the images. Okay. Now to upload the image, what we have to do is another link I'll give you, or just go to Google and download WinSCP software. So go to any one of these websites from where you can download it. Here we have download option, and unnecessary links you guys will be getting, so don't click on those links. And here you can see I got WinSCP downloaded. Open it and double click to install it. Install, install, and accept it. Next, next, install. Now, once this WinSCP is downloaded, close all the links. And here you can see WinSCP is downloaded. Open this WinSCP and give the IP address of your EVNG. So here I can see 105.0.0.100. I'll give this IP 105.0.0.100 and give username as root, password EVE, press enter, accept it. Now you can see on the right side here, double click and then just a minute, I'll put the indicator over here. Okay, from beginning. So once you click over here, after that you can go to OPT. Okay, so here OPT you have under the OPT Unit Lab. Under this you have add-ons. Under this you have QMove. Right. So under this QMove we don't have any images right now. So we go to our download folder wherever we had downloaded. Uh, so simply I'll do one thing. I'll go to this particular location downloads. I'll copy this link. Okay. Or else you can do one thing. You can directly take this folder, keep it side by side. Okay. And drag and drop it directly. This way also it will work. Okay. So you don't have to struggle to find where is my location. This is the short way you can do it. And once your image is uploaded here, now go to EVNG. Take a GUI access of EVNG. Now 105 0.0.100. I got the GUI access of EVNG. I log in with username admin password EVE, press enter. And now if you click here, go to, see here, right click, go to node, right, and then search here ASA. Now you can see ASAV is showing you here. Click it here and you can see ASA 9.8 is currently showing. It took 2 GB RAM by default, 1 CPU with 8 interfaces. Click on save. And now if you start it, click on it, you'll get the console access. Click on this. Okay, now if you see, if you're trying to start and you're getting this issue, right? Your device comes up and again goes down. If this is the issue, then how to fix it? So this is T-shoot. Okay, troubleshooting we are looking into. So I already told you guys, we'll also see troubleshooting part. So we have some common issues in EVNG, right? Folder name and name of EVNG image that I have already shown you. Now I'm showing you some troubleshooting part, how to give the fixed permissions and all. Right. Now, if you're getting this type of issue, simply go to your VMware and shut down EVNG. Once it is done, go to settings, go to processors. Inside the processor, you might see this virtualize Intel VT is virtual technology is not enabled. So I'll click on enable, power it on. And let it come up. After that, we'll see our device will start working. Work of this WinSCP is already done, guys. I'll just close it. Let EVNG come up. Now, here, if I refresh the page, refresh page, it takes little time to come up after booting. One not five, right? Yeah, now it's there. Now start it, it should work. See, this issue is fixed. Now it's booting up, right? So this was one of the most common issue that freshers get while installing EVNG. And sometimes, even after doing all this stuff, if it does not work, then do one thing. This is fixing the permission. So take this command, go to your EVNG CLI. Like I'll log in here inside the CLI with username root, password EVE, and go to edit, paste your command and press enter. And after fixing these issues, fixing or giving the permissions, and then try, things will start working. So this was one of the most important part that I have currently shown you in EVNG, guys. Most of the students get stuck over here. So this was our how to download EVNG image, how to upload, and how to fix the issues or how to do troubleshooting for your images and all. That's it, guys. I'll see you guys in a next video where I'll show you how to create a topology. Okay, thank you.